Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. Several dependencies are required for a successful RethinkDB installation. Use the following command to install some dependencies. In the next step, you will import the GPG key to verify the authenticity of the packages. Use the following command to import the key. Next, add the RethinkDB apt repository to your source listing. Next, you should update your packages. With all previous steps, install the RethinkDB. You can verify version by following command. And you can check the installation or status of RethinkDB by the following command. Use the following command to copy the sample configuration file. You can use NANO editor to look in this file. If you haven't configured a specified RethinkDB instance and wish to quick launch one, the command below will start the RethinkDB. For now on, you can access your RethinkDB by using the IP addresses and the port 8080. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.